Welcome to How Exposure Tech Tips. I'm going to teach you how to clean a disc you overpaid for at GameStop with Four Loco. Just get that on there. And you know, some people just wipe it off, but you know what? Go right down the gullet. Hey PA, are you still there?
Yeah.
Good. It's good to know people are still there. Are we still live streaming on Facebook?
Yeah, I believe we are.
Oh, can that tell you how many people are watching?
Yeah, we're not doing too well. I mean,
What's our numbers at?
they're double digit, teens.
I was hoping for more.
Triple T's doing pretty well though.
What was that?
Triple T's got a couple thousand.
Get the fuck out of here. Okay? Did you just bring up Triple T in front of me? You remember how I was the... Get out of the way! No. Mm-mm. What am I doing? How much am I paying you?
You're not paying me.
Perfect. That's good. Everyone on set, I know I've been kind of a bummer to be around, but I think the time... Get that light closer. Squish me. Camera? Camera what? We only have one camera. Who am I kidding? I need to figure out how to make a perfect YouTube channel. Because you know what? There's no tech tips without Alex. Here's the thing. I'm coming for you, tech tips. It's just lettuce. Squish me.